Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, good evening to all. First of all, I thank this Cadilla group for having invited me as a chief guest for this wonderful function, IAM Icon. And first of all, I want to inform all the delegates that I know pretty well that you people are here only to listen to the CME and not to the chief guest address. And basically I am from Tanjavur, settled in Tanjavur, and I know Tanjavur Nandi is famous because of the bigger size, but that Nandi will obstruct the view of Lord Shiva for the devotees, but I will not stand much of the time in between you and the CME. So I want to confirm it first. And now, this quiz program, when they conducted, I was a little bit elated for the simple reason, I have written a serial about the forefathers of medicine under the caption Maruthuva Munnodigal in for Dr. Vigadan. Now they are going to come out with the book in the new year. So I have written about 26 scientists, and Marie Curie is one among them. And just because Curie has come, I was curious. But the thing is, the rule of the game doesn't allow. But I don't know why they have, see, if it is going to be a scientific thing, they could have eliminated some stalwarts. But it is only a common sense, general knowledge, but I don't know why they have eliminated. Anyway, it's a good thing. And now, after seeing this movie, I thought that Ambati, another Modi, he has created some sense of vibration in the field of innovation, and you are calling it as IAM Icon. But I want to see your founder, he wants to say, I am an icon. So that an is missing, and I am icon, you can say this Cadilla, this itself is an innovation. They wanted me to address about innovation, but this function itself is an innovation, because we have seen most of the pharmaceutical companies, they want to depict their products only routinely. But see, this is a good innovation to promote and market the products, at that same time paving way for research. So what I feel when I come over here, the innovation is a concept which is widely misunderstood, and it may be worthwhile to start off with an acceptable definition. So innovation is defined as a process by which varying degrees of measure value enhancement is planned and achieved in any commercial activity. This process may be a breakthrough or incremental, and it may occur systematically in a company or sporadically. So what I want to say, it may be achieved by introducing new products, that is one way of doing it, or the implementing operational processes. That's what Cadilla is doing. So they want to implement the innovations in operational process, like conducting these mega awareness programs, or implementing new organizational techniques. The innovation and competitiveness have a dynamic mutual relationship. This is true for all industries, but today I will restrict my views to healthcare industry only. So innovation in medical technology improves people's lives and brings the benefits of treatment to individuals whose conditions may previously have been difficult or impossible to treat. At the same time, innovation is not only about improving products, it is improving the way that healthcare is being delivered, making healthcare systems more efficient and more sustainable. Further, I want to stress the continuous innovations within the medical technology sector is helping to drive the competitiveness of a knowledge-based economy, bringing increased prosperity to all. So the vast array of medical innovations since World War II has led to a tremendous growth in the complexity of healthcare. The healthcare sector has not evolved to accommodate this complexity. In other sectors where the complexity had significantly increased, sophisticated production systems have been implemented, and information technology, infrastructure installed, and a teamwork developed. So the bar for innovation is being raised higher and higher with the scientific tools for delivering these breakthroughs. However, innovation in delivery systems is badly needed now if the full benefits of innovation in diagnostics therapeutics, and devices are to be achieved. It has long been recognized that innovation is a critical driver of long-term economic growth. So, even though our country is far better than any other country in terms of human resources, mainly the scientific brain, we should improve in record keeping and in patent filing. So, few points may help our innovative industry. A network of research and R&D laboratories with expertise in a variety of disciplines, large education capacity with the several world-class institutions, large private sector industrial base, and recognition of the importance of R&D. Anything without recognition will not thrive. That has happened from the era of Mahabharata, where Karnan's skills were not recognized by Pandavas and so-called gurus. So he has taken sides with Duryodhana. So recognition is utmost importance for any field to develop, and in innovation, recognition is the must. And influence of scientists in policy making and necessary changes to patent laws. So India, with its huge population, is having enough potential for innovation. So it is high time we should encourage this type of innovation, and pharma companies are diverting a fixed portion of their profit for R&D. So everyone should encourage these innovations, and I wish the function every success. Thank you.